So let's talk about rest properties in ES9. Rest properties collect the remaining owned enumerable property keys that are not already picked off by the destructuring pattern. Those keys and their values are copied onto a new object. So what exactly does that mean? Well, let's say that you have an object in JavaScript, and in this example, we're going to use a tree. Now this tree is going to have 6 apples. The tree is also going to have some oranges. Let's also put some pears in this tree. But you know what? It's also a money tree, so it's going to have $1 million. So one day we're just walking around and we bump into this tree and we look up and we're just like, wow, that's a lot of money. So naturally, the first thing we want to do is we want to pick up the money from the tree, but we want to leave the rest there. So in JavaScript, the way that you would do this is by creating a few new objects. So what did we do in this code? Essentially, we had a tree, and in this tree we had apples, oranges, pears, and money. And we said, you know what, we just want the money, and in the new tree we'll just have apples, oranges, and pears. We want to take away the money from the tree. So now we're going to have 2 objects. We're going to have money, which is the money that used to be in the tree but is no longer in the tree. And now we're going to have the new tree, which contains the apples, the oranges, and the pear. So now if we do console.log money, we should see the money that used to be in the tree. And if we do console.log new tree, then we should see the new tree but without the money in it. Alright, so after we ran the code in the browser, you can see this is my money is 1 million, and the new tree without the money has the apples, the oranges, and the pear, but obviously it's not going to have the money in it because we have that now, and now we can buy all the cool stuff we want.